today. Let me quickly put it through. Some of you who just subscribed to PBX SCANNER, which is the combinations of PBS sniper calls and PBS PIPS levels. Now, many of you have complained you cannot set up the system. Obviously, I know that many of you are not used to some of those tools, clearly TradingView. But quite unfortunate that some of us have been trading and don't even know how to go to TradingView. So I think the basic knowledge is required anyway. Over time, we will make some maybe kind of few videos available for you on how to navigate TradingView. So, but today, so this is for Bitcoin. Okay, so you can see this trade. This is for Bitcoin, right? You can see that this signal is still struggling. This signal may end up not holding because of the volume of activities, but give and take. So that's some exceptional cases that you can lose trade. But if you follow the rule, you won't lose trade. So and I'll explain to you. Now, this is for Bitcoin, and then this is for gold. You see that? Now, if yours is not looking like mine, then you are seriously wrong. So I'm going to go to mobile. Let's quickly do the mobile first, and then we can now do the desktop. Okay, so quickly let's go. Talking on mobile. I'm going to be sharing with you right now. Mobile. Okay, so let's go to mobile. So first of all, if you don't have the app, go to your Play Store and type TradingView. So you download it, you see it. So you also say install. Okay, sorry, just a moment. So yours will say install. You will write something like this. So you click it and allow it to download. Once it's downloaded, open it. Okay, and use your normal TradingView to log in. Or you can just enable that your email you use in the other one. All right. So first of all, what you want to do, you need to go and add so if you come up like this, okay, so you need to go to chart. So look at it here. Some of us who have set up our own have watch list. You have chart, explore, community, menu. So you go to chart. So as I go to chart, it's going to display whatever type of chart you have in existence. So please take note, when it's not giving you the big nature you want, you can use your finger enlarge like this, squeeze. Then when you want it to have long neck, so you go to this place, you use your finger to squeeze it up and down. Okay, but when you want it to expand, so you are squeezing using your two fingers to do this, and then right. So let's go quickly. So now I want to add it for gold. So the setting for gold is a bit different from Bitcoin. So, but for the psychological level. So first of all, so you have your screen like this. Now, where do I add the scanner? See this place, this three button dots. So tap on it. When you tap on it, it gives you different menu and options there. Look at indicator. Tap on indicator. Then I will tap on indicator. You see invite only. Tap on invite only. Now, in your case, you see the only one that was sent to you. First is your sniper calls. Am I correct? Your first is PBS sniper calls. Is that true? Yes. Okay. So you tap on it. So once you tap on it, you can go back to check to be sure that you have it on. Okay. So you can close. So it's there now. Fantastic, right? Yes. Okay. So I say if you want to do setting, you can go to your, so you can tap on it, or you can go to your settings to tap on it. What actually do you want to set? You want to set maybe label width to make it 2. Okay, if you like, you can change the color, the background color, or you just allow it to be. So to reduce the noise or the width. Okay, so now let's go. So you go back to the same place. So this is the place many people are having problems. So you go back to this place. Okay, you see that? Then tap on it again. Go to indicator. So go to, okay, so go to indicator, you're going to go to invite only. So here is invite only. So PBS pips level. We don't even know which one is this now. Let me just add. Go back if it's not the one. I'm going to see that. So that is it. So once you add it, so it's added now. So you go to settings. So what am I going to do in settings? For what is it called? For good, you're going to see all these places. You're going to put them into uncheck level 3 to the last level. So look at level 1, look at level 2, don't uncheck them. Then uncheck every other one, level 3, level 4 to level 11. You come back to that level 1. So whatever number that is here, usually maybe 10 by default. So you type 50 for good. Then tap on this color. So you change it to this blue and increase the opacity up to 100%. Then once you are done with that, this number will be 3. So 3. Then tap on this place, that line style, change it from dash to solid. Then go to the level 2, change it to 10. 50 will be there, change it to 10, make it black, increase the opacity to 100. Then change this one from dot to solid. You are done. Okay? So now click OK. So I click OK. So let me open it. Network's a bit troublesome. Okay, perhaps have some. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Oh, excuse me. So now, if you have too many indicator on your many indicator before on your system, it will not work. It will ask you to, so you have to remove some so that you can use only 2 because you are using free account. Okay, so I can refresh this now. So let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Just want to make sure things are in order so that you will not have issues. Okay, so now let's do the settings. So say, first of all, uncheck from 3 to 11. That is remove them, those show level, just uncheck, uncheck. Check, uncheck, 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 uncheck. You have uncheck all. Come back to this one, remove the 10 and put 50. Go to this, put it to blue number, increase the opacity to 100. Here, make it 3. That's with this dotted. Oh, sorry about that. This dotted, make it solid. Good, right? Good. So go to this second one, change it to 10. That is 100 pips. Then change this one to black. Increase the opacity to 100. This dash, change it to solid. You're good to go. If you want to increase because of color, why not? You can increase. Can you see that now? It's done. Now, most of you complain, yeah, it's not doing. You are not expanding. Some of you, your chart is like this. I don't know what to call it. Your chart is squeezed like this. Yes. Some of you, your chart is squeezed like this. Very squeezed. I say, I cannot see anything. You are supposed to do what? Expand. So as you have done that, so expand it. Use your finger to expand it because you have squeezed it. Expand it. Expand it. So that is this left number, those numbers. Use your 2 fingers or one of it to be touch it and drag up. Okay? When you touch it, just drag it up, push it up, push it up, push it up. It will come out. That's the problem most of you are having. Now, so look at it now. This is 5-minute time frame. Okay, so I'm not going to use this video to teach much about the utility. There's a Microsoft document that was sent to you. You will see the conditions of use there and some other video that have been done. So, but just to explain to some of us, mobile user, this is what to do for using it on your gold. Do you see that? Okay, so if I go to 1 minute now, I can, or 3 minutes, you can see different, right? If I go to 1 minute, can you see that? So see 1 minute. Okay, so I'll go to 15 minutes. Okay, see 15 minutes. Can you see that now? Okay, now, so let's quickly change to Bitcoin and see how you do the setting of Bitcoin. Just a little setup, resetting. Now, so if you go to Bitcoin, if you change to Bitcoin now, it's going to a little bit squeeze. All right, so let's go to watch list and I search for Bitcoin. All right, so watch list and I search for Bitcoin. So here is Bitcoin. So once you tap on Bitcoin from the watch list, tap on trade, then you tap on chart. So you can see what it just shows now. Very bad, right? Good. So no matter how you push it, it's not the same settings. So what do I do? Okay, you go to your pips level, tap on it, go to settings. This place, make it 1000. Simple, right? This place, make it 500. That is 1000 points and 500 points. You know, it's capping you are doing. Okay, so click OK. Can you see that? Magical. Ooh. So now there's a signal now on this is a 5-minute time frame. So there's a signal, but I think it's very sluggish. See a signal that was sent down. I was in this trade, right? Then this one is another signal. Okay, so this is another signal. Now, sometimes some of this signal can be very, because if the trend has changed, maybe downtrend, because see now you're having candles, up close candle, look at them. That's not a good sign of a bullish momentum. Though this your signal seems to be good, but the momentum is bad. See, this will actually engulf this, so the momentum is bad. So in such trading, if it's not too A+ for you, you can avoid it. You understand? Because you see what? I'll avoid you. But if it's a thing you can put a little entry, why not? You can go ahead and do that. You see that now? So once you set it for your good, then you can go adjust it. So you know the numbers I use now for gold and for Bitcoin. So this your pips level is really for Bitcoin and gold. If you use other pips level for currency, will not reflect. But for me, if you are trading currency, using pips level for them, I think you can use like demand and supply zones, right? Or using SMC pattern. So we have other scanners for those ones if you are the type that trade currencies and all of that. So this is it, and very simple. So let's quickly go to the desktop one. So let's go to desktop. So we're done with the mobile. So let's go to the desktop. How to set up the desktop? Very, very simple, okay? So what do I do? Go to setup, desktop. Log in now. On desktop. So what you see on desktop is different from what you see, or the outlook, sorry. The outlook on desktop will be different because of the labeling. So let's quickly go to desktop. So let's share screen on desktop. Okay, so let's go to desktop. Yes, we'll go to desktop. All right, so here is desktop. Okay, here is desktop. Going to desktop. Go to desktop. Let's go to desktop. Uh, 69829. Sorry. Okay. I just quickly take some trade here. So now 669. So now let's go. So this is set up for Bitcoin. So the same way we did it on laptop, on the mobile, is the same strategy we're going to use here. So let me just close everything. So this is pips level. Take it off. Then take this one off. Okay. So let's start from gold. So here's gold. So as you go to your trading view, you click on indicator, click on invite only. You already be enabled as your username was given. That is sniper calls. So you add it. Then pips level, you add it. So the two are added the same time. So you go to your settings. Now like this, I say if you like, can come to the input. Label size, you can change it to 2. Can change it to 2. Label, you can change it to 2. So changing it to 2 just to reduce the size. So you go to these settings, the way we did it. So change this one. So first of all, check level 3 to 11. Continue. Uncheck. 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 Uncheck everything. Uncheck to level 11. Come back. So the level 1 changes to 50. Change this color to blue. Take the opacity to 100. Then change this one to 3. If you like, you can make it 4. Maybe if you're using system, you want to see more bolder. Then change it to solid. Then you are good. So change this one to 10. Change this color to black. Opacity, make it up to 100. Okay, and change this one to 2. Then this dotted, you can make it to solid. So you are good to go. So this is for gold. Simple and straightforward. You see that? Simple and straightforward. If you follow the simple instruction, when you cannot see properly, enlarge your scale, then you can see properly. This 5-minute time frame. Now, if we go to Bitcoin, it's not going to give you the same outlook. Have you seen that? It's not giving the same outlook. So what are we going to do? Bitcoin, not giving the same outlook. Okay, so what do? So just no trouble, no much work. So you go back to your settings of your PBX level. Click on setting. All you do is to make this one 1000. Don't change any other thing. Then change this one to 500. Simple. You are done. You see that? So I told you, so this signal, I even ended up going and entered it to say it's not powerful because the market is on a downtrend. It's changing movement, right? So look at it. I sold this one anyway. Now, because this candle was supposed to engulf this candle, was not really making any sense. So, and we're having more of up close candle than down close candle. So you have to be careful. It's not a good signal. Can you see that now? So I'll go to 15 minutes. Can you see that? So this one's, and if you look at the candle settings, this one has actually closed bullish, or this one closed bearish below this one. It's not a good one. So you have a candle that closes above this one, so you go nowhere. So that means the sell still in charge. So anytime you want to look at your chart plainly, you can just go this way. Go to your settings. Sorry, I want to reduce this long journey to take it to shorten it. So just to blind it, just to blind it. So most time when you are in a trade and it seems it's not going your way, giving you so many trouble. So you can triple top Bitcoin. This market, you have to sell that much. You understand? This market may have to sell that much. Because if you look at it now, let's look at 1 hour time frame. Oh my goodness. This market's gonna sell like wildfire. Gonna sell like wildfire. Seriously. Okay. So if you look at this market, it's like triple top. Then see the market except and otherwise. I don't know what's going to give me bounce here. It will be deceiving people and be raking their money down. That's what this market is going to be doing. I've seen that right now. So that means, so most time when I can just clear explain a few things here now. Most time when you enter a market with this kind of a thing, you need to, so let's say you enter market on 5 minute time frame. I always say that expand to 15 minutes or 1 hour so that you can see the structure properly, so that you won't jump out of the market on time. So let's return those scanner back. Now you can see it has been giving the counter signals, but they are not valid yet. So you have to watch. So that's why you don't close your trade on time just because a counter signal was given. Number one, the trend is changing. Number two, no confirmation. So your trade that you sold here, you will still be holding it. Haven't taken profit. Because here you are taking profit of 500 points each. This is 500 points, 1,000, 1,005 in that order. That's your psychological level for BTC. You know that? All right. So very simple. So this market now, like I told you, is up close candle. It's not correct. The market's still going to be selling like wildfire. Oh, yes. So if you look at it now, it's actually doing that. Okay. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope we are learning now. So please, you should not have any problem setting up your PBS scanner and trade effectively. And the video I will do next is how to now interpret some things, maneuver some things on the platform. You have a nice time and bye for now.